Castaway Ireland. Breakaway Island, always my home. Floating out on her own. Wind blowing over the grasses and the clover, the green and the blue, the West Mountains too, waiting by the ocean. Folks are getting on jet planes, and the planes fly away, and the rural is empty and gray, 'cause the young folks are moving away. Red Irish Rosie, you were so red and so cozy and posy with love. Now your petals droop low and you don't sing no more, Roisin Dove. Laddie Irish Paddy, God knows we were blessed with the family, with the cattle and sheep, with the poems so deep. Now the circle is broken. Folks are getting on jet planes, and the planes fly away, and the young folks are moving away, 'cause this country seems so gray. It's the look of the Irish, these waves, they hit hard our shores. La-da-dee, Paddy Irish, can you take it much more?